What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about 3 ways that you can improve your profits, make more money in this flipping game.
Knowing your profits is one of the biggest parts in this reselling gig, so we're going to jump into that.
That's right. But before we do that, we're Rob and Melissa with Flea Market Flipper. We've been doing this for over 20 years and absolutely love the reselling game.
All right, so let's dive in. We are going to talk about 3 ways that you can boost your profits. So Number one is offer shipping on some of those items that you're only selling locally.
That's right. A lot of resellers will only sell items locally on the local apps, whatever it is. You guys are missing out on so many profits just by offering it to a bigger audience and being able to ship those items. So if you are not utilizing shipping yet, please do that. You guys can make so much more money when you offer it on. We sell majority of our stuff on eBay, and that's where we ship everything. Even if you're not shipping just bigger items that can go in boxes and go FedEx, UPS, that's where you need to start. We actually ship freight stuff, so we do it on pallets. We get even bigger than that, but we get it to a larger audience, and it opens your door for a lot more profits in the selling game.
I do have to add that we don't recommend at this moment shipping through Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. You will make more sales and you will make more money, and it's definitely an opportunity, but their customer service isn't quite there yet to support the seller. So that's why we just can't recommend it, because if something goes wrong and the buyer or whatever, it goes wrong, then you can't get any help from customer service.
It's hard to get help, and that's the biggest thing. And they're not there yet, guys. eBay is very easy to get customer service on the phone, on the computer, whatever you have to do. Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, both. Yeah, I mean, we've heard people who have sold and shipped stuff through there and been okay, but we've also heard horror stories. I know a friend who bought something and had issues with it. So they're not there yet, so we don't recommend it. You can do it if you're having luck with it right now, great, but we don't recommend it just because they are not there with the customer service yet.
Yeah. So the second one,
2,
is to expand where you go find your items.
That's right. Where are you sourcing right now? Are you sourcing at your local Goodwill? Maybe your Habitat for Humanity? Where are you guys sourcing right now? Wherever you're sourcing, try to expand it. Try to look for local auctions. Look for flea markets. Go out to yard sales on the weekends. Right now in the middle of when we're making this video, it's summertime almost everywhere. So you can find good garage sales that you guys can pick up stuff and resell. So there's just so many ways. And maybe do a search for local apps. There's so many apps. We use OfferUp.
That's one of your favorites.
It is. OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace are my 2 favorite. Craigslist is overlooked a lot, and you can still find some great stuff on Craigslist as well. So where are you guys looking? Expand that. That's right.
And you never know what you will find.
That's right. So that's number 2.
Number 3 is the biggest one.
This is huge.
The profit is made in your buy. So.
Always, you're going to make the majority of your money when you're buying the item for the right price. So do not get attached. Do not get stuck on an item when you do find an item that you have to get. Do not buy it if the price is not right. Walk away, find another item. We find so many people who pay too much for their item, and then that eats away their profit. So,
for example, like if you go to a thrift store and you find something like, say, a stroller for $50 and you can sell it for $75 or $80, that your profit's not really there for that kind of item. So just to give a small example.
That's it. You guys want to walk away. There's so many items out there that you guys can make money on. Just walk away from the items if they're priced too high and you can't make the profits.
You have to know your time is worth money. So to make sure that your profit's there. And it's okay to just walk away. Even an item that maybe you were sourcing on a local app. And if you get there, the item is in worse shape. It's going to need more work. You're not going to be able to make as much profit. It's okay to walk away. So
we tell everybody, walk away from the item if it's not what you expected. Or you can negotiate a little bit more.
Thank them and or you can negotiate more too.
So. But walk away if you have to. Like we said, the money is made in the buy. That's where you're going to make your money on these sales, is buying it at the right price for sure. So
so that's it.
You guys rock. If you guys enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe. We love making these for you. Any suggestions that you guys have, please put comments below. We're happy to make these more
videos.
That's it. More videos to help you guys out in your flipping game. We've been doing it for years and absolutely love it. So
thank you.
You rock. Have a great day.
Bye.